Hi, I'm Sharada, and today we're going to learn how to make a fruit mask. But before we start, we're going to need a few ingredients. To start, you want to crush it. I'm going to start out by crushing. Just work it right in. This is how you'd want it to look in the end. Once it is smooth, you can begin to apply it to your face. The mask should be left on your face for 15 to 20 minutes, after which you should rinse your face, alternating between cold and warm water. Proceed with your normal regimen of moisturizing your skin to seal in the moisture. I'm Sharada, and that is how you make a homemade fruit mask. Have fun and beautiful skin.